Good morning, it's Janet McHugh at janetmchugh.arbonne.com. Today I'm going to go over using a gel pencil eyeliner. And we've already gone over facial cleansing, skin tightening, conditioning, moisturizing, and putting on a BB cream or a CC cream like we sell at Arbonne. All products are of course available on my website, janetmchugh.arbonne.com. I'm getting better at that. Anyway, I'm going to use a gel pencil. I find it easier for me. I can use it without using an eyelid primer, and I can use it without using any type of face primer, which I really like for days when I'm doing a light eyelid. And if I'm going to use a liquid eyeliner, I always try and use an eyelid primer, let that dry a little bit, still be a little bit tacky when I put my liquid primer on, but a gel pencil eyeliner I can do just with a bare lid. So this is the way that I put it on, and you close your lid, and what I do, I'll just show you when I do a half lid, which I'm fond of for a day like today. I just kind of dot it. I have my eyes slightly open. I'm hoping you can see that. Okay, so I start off with my dots. You notice I put this on before I put my mascara on, because when I do my mascara and I curl my lashes, once they're curled, it messes up to put my eyeliner on, especially my bottom liner. I put my lower liner below my lashes because I wear contacts a lot and I find it much easier, and I still like the way it looks. I have several friends who are just, oh no, you have to put it above your lashes, but it looks good either way in my opinion. I've seen lots of women do it both ways. So if you're doing a half lid, you're going to do it so that it lines up to the middle of your eye, middle of your pupil, or out. Don't have it come beyond the middle of your pupil. If you do, it makes your eyes look smaller. If you have it so that it's middle of pupil to out, your eye's going to look bigger. If you go too far out, you're just going to have a hint of color. I won't say too far out, but if you go far out, it's just going to have a hint of the color. And today I'm just using a black just so you can see it well. So once I've got the dotted line, I'll call it, I extend it just a little, and I fill it in just a little bit more. It's going to thicken the look, and I'm going to let it dry a little bit because it does need to, because it's a gel, while I do the bottom. I like to do the top first. I guess having blonde lashes is okay. When it comes to putting on eyeliner, I can definitely see what I'm doing. Like I said, I hope I got the video high enough, or the camera low enough, I should say, that you can see what I'm doing. It's hard to look into the camera and do this. I gotta look into a mirror to do my eyes. And if you make a mistake, a Q-tip is really the best way to do it, to fix it. Once you do your dots, thicken it up a little bit with a solid line. Again, I don't bring it, if I'm doing a half, I only do it halfway. So like that. When I've got a naked eye, it looks kind of odd. When I curl my lashes, put mascara on them, put my eyeshadow on, which today I'll just use a little bit of a white, maybe a little bit of a blue into it, or a lavender to match my shirt. It won't look quite so odd. Like I said, that's all I'm going to do for today. Let me do the other eye. I have more problems with my left eye. I don't think it's because I'm right-handed. I just think it's because my left eye, the skin's just a little bit looser. pulls a little bit more on the eyelid. It's just something that happens. Skin tightening cream, I think, does help. One of the biggest things is trying to match them up so they're even. See. The bottom's not so bad. I do little short strokes or dots that I fill in. And I go back and fill in the top. I join them together. Like I said, I'm not doing anything outlandish. I'm not going to do a real wide eye or anything. I got to join these two together a little bit. So that's all I'm doing for today. You can bring it all the way in. This one's a little bit further out, so I'll fix it. Have to look directly into my mirror to know that they're even or not. That's better. So today I was just using a gel pen, gel pencil. I was using a skinny pencil by Maybelline. I love my Arbonne pencils and pens for liners. I just happened to grab this one today to show you that there's other products out there. I do highly recommend the Arbonne products, of course, but I know that if you're young and you're in high school and you're learning to do this, or if you're in college and you're learning, or you're trying something different, you don't want to buy or pick up the most expensive product in the world to experiment with, and that's why I like to show you other options. So I hope you learned something today. Always try and experiment with different eye looks. This one was really big when I was younger. Do a half eye, then do your lashes, and then after you do your lashes, then you do your eyeliner or your eyebrow liner, and then fill in your eyeshadow. The reason I do it in that order is because I'm bound to mess up my eyeshadow if I don't do it last, and you can touch up anything before that. My eyelashes will touch my eyelids otherwise, so it works out that way. I hope you have a great day, and thank you. And again, janetmchugh.arbonne.com. If you liked what you saw, please like, comment, and follow or subscribe. And you can find me on Facebook, Twitter. You can find me on YouTube, of course, and you can find me on Instagram. I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.